It's a moment of immense pride for India. An Indian has been conferred with the prestigious Nobel Peace Prize. Child rights activist Kailash Satyarthi is sharing the prize with Pakistani teen activist Malala. Satyarthi is the 8th Indian to win a Nobel Peace Prize, and given what's happening at our border, what you can say, this is certainly ironic.
The Norwegian Nobel Committee has decided that the Nobel Peace Prize for 2014 is to be awarded to Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai.
Kailash Satyarthi, India's 8th Nobel laureate and the first to share the Nobel Peace Prize with a Pakistani. Born in Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh in 1954, he's now become the face of the child rights movement in India. For the activist, the award comes as recognition for all children worldwide who are deprived of their rights, and for the many anonymous social workers fighting for their empowerment.
It's a great honor for all those children who are deprived of their childhood globally. It's an honor to all my fellow Indians who have got this honor. It's not just an honor for me, it's honor for all those who were fighting against child labor globally. I may not be knowing them, but there are many people who are sacrificing their time and their life for the cause of child rights, and I would like to thank and congratulate all of them, because it's symbolic for me. It is not only me who could be credited for this prize, it's for everyone who is fighting against child slavery in the world.
A trained electrical engineer, Satyarthi gave up his college professor job to actively work for social change. His organization, the Bachpan Bachao Andolan, set up in 1980, has so far rescued close to 80,000 children from enforced labor. It's also set up the Bal Mitra Gram, a system of model villages free from child exploitation. Satyarthi has begun Rugmark, a system of marking products made without using child labor. The journey has been a long and difficult one for both the Nobel laureate and his family.
जब ये बाहर जाते थे बच्चों को छुड़ाने के लिए, तब थोड़ी परेशानी तो जरूर होती थी, क्योंकि उस समय तो फोन भी काम नहीं करते थे। तो जब तक कोई समाचार सही नहीं मिल जाता था, तब तक थोड़ी अशांति तो रहती है मन में, पर हम लोग ईश्वर पे विश्वास करके चलते हैं। जब हम किसी का भला करने जा रहे हैं तो ईश्वर हमारी सहायता जरूर करेगा।
पूरी दुनिया में उन्होंने चाइल्ड लेबर को एक नॉन इशू से इशू बनाया, और ये एक लाइफ लॉन्ग काम का परिणाम है। पूरा हम ऐसे ही बड़े हुए हैं इसी माहौल में, और अब लग रहा है कि काम को पूरा रिकॉग्निशन मिला है, और हम लोग बहुत इमोशनल हैं अभी।
It's paid off with global recognition and arguably the world's highest honor. All the more symbolic for being shared with a Pakistani. Teenage activist Malala Yousafzai.
The Nobel Committee regards it as an important point for a Hindu and a Muslim, an Indian and a Pakistani, to join in a common struggle for education and against extremism.
For India, where child labor is an issue that's most often swept under the carpet, Kailash Satyarthi's Nobel Peace Prize is a turning point for the child rights movement in the country. And that perhaps is his biggest victory. With Munakshi Upriti in New Delhi, Anubhav Bhosle.
A proud moment for all of us, and Malala just a few minutes back has said she's going to invite both Nawaz Sharif and Narendra Modi to attend the ceremony together in December. With that, we'll say goodbye. See you back on Monday.